Hi everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. Today I'm going to show you how you can do striped relief pattern, and you see the lovely shawl that I did in this way, in this style. And yeah, this is the effect, this is the texture that you get. I think it looks really lovely and it does give it kind of a wavy shape. So it's something different, it's something I don't think I've done on the channel before, or at least not in this project. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how you can do this, but I'm gonna try to show you the entire thing. The shawl is big, so you see it doesn't really fit in here, but yeah, I have here a yarn that also has some nice color changes and color gradients, and this is what I'm gonna show you today. So in my case, I used a crocheting hook that's a 4mm one because that's what my yarn asked for. So yeah, here it is. And of course, you can do this in smaller or bigger sizes and yarn thicknesses. So that's completely up to you. But I'm going to show you how you can do something like this on another smaller example, just so you get the general idea how this goes. So let's move this out of the way, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit just so you have a nicer view. And then we're going to do a regular slip knot as always when we do crocheting projects. And we're going to chain 3, so 1 chain and then 2 more for the height, and that's going to be our row number 1. As always, I'm going to mark the rows that I do just so you can rewind if you need to the specific section that you're at. So into the first chain that I did, I go in, and this is where I'm going to do 3 trebles. 3 treble crochets, all into the same chain. Two, and the third one is coming. And after that, we're going to do a doubled relief treble. So this is, yarn over twice, then go in, and then we're going to do 2 at a time. And this is how you get a doubled relief treble. Second row, chain 4 for the height. Then we turn, and now into this exact doubled treble that we did, we're going to do a treble, actually 3, so the second one, and after that another one, so 3 total. There we go. Around the next 3 trebles, I'm going to do again relief doubled trebles. So yarn over twice. Then I'm going to go in a little bit different. So I'm going to go in from the back and around my chain here, around my treble. And I'm taking my yarn with me. And then I'm going to do the double treble or finish it. So 2 at a time. And you're going to do this 3 times total, and that's how you get your doubled relief treble. And there you go. So we're going to repeat that with the other 2 trebles as well. So let's do the second one, yarn over twice. Again, we're going to go in from the back and around our treble on the bottom. And then we're going to finish our doubled treble through 2 loops at a time, a total of 3 times. And then that's it. So we repeat this for the 3rd time, and it's the exact same thing. Here we also have the beginning chains that we started with, the 2 for the height that we did, and that's it. So now we can start with row 3. Chain 2 for the height, and then we can turn. And now if you take a look, when you turn this like that, you see these 2 doubled trebles that we just did below. So now we're going to continue with the doubled trebles. So we're taking the yarn over twice, just like so far. So you have 3 loops on your needle already. And then we go from the back, but this time like this, so kind of diagonally around the first double treble or around the chains that we did here. And then we again do a double treble, so through 2, and one more time through 2 loops on your hook. And then we're gonna do that again. So yarn over twice, behind or actually around the treble, and then another doubled treble. And then one more time. This is the third one. And then after we do this one, we're gonna do a chain. And then we have the 3 trebles here. And I notice I don't need a chain here, so don't make the same mistake. So we just need a yarn over and we're going into the top section of the treble. So just like always, and then we do a treble, then a chain. And then what we do is skip this middle treble in the bottom. So we go into the third one, and this is where we do the second treble. And now I have here the 4th chain that I did, and I go into there and I do a treble. I'm actually gonna do 3 total. So this was the first one, then the second, and the third, plus another double treble at the very end. And this was row 3. Row 4 starts with 4 chains for the height. Then we can turn. Okay, and now we're gonna go here into the chain or into the stitch, and we're gonna do 3 trebles again. And 3. And then I have here the 3 trebles. So these are the trebles that I did all into the same chain of the last row, into the same stitch. And now we're not going to do trebles on top of them. Instead, we're going to do doubled trebles from the back. So you already know how to do this, but I'm going to show you one more time. So yarn over twice, go behind, so from the back around the treble in the bottom, and then you finish off your doubled treble on top. And we're going to do this for a total of 3 times because we have 3 trebles here. And this is the third one. There we go. Now we have here a regular treble. So here we're just going to do another regular treble on top, and we're going to do a chain. So we're skipping this chain that we see on the bottom in the last row. And then we're going to do another treble. And then you see here you have the 3 relief trebles. So we're again going to do them in relief, but we're going to do doubled trebles. So yarn over twice and then around the chain itself from the back again and finish off the doubled treble. And we're going to do this again 3 times. There we go. That's it. So now we have the row 5. So we started just like we started the third one. We do 2 chains for the height this time, and then we're going to turn. And then here on the bottom you see the reliefs, so we're going to do them again in double trebles around them. So this is the first one. Make sure you do the yarn over twice, and you just continue with the next 3 as well, or the next 2, so 3 total. And now we have the treble, chain, treble, so we're again doing a treble on top, a chain, and then another treble. Here's that chain, so another treble, and then come 3 relief doubled trebles. So it's easy to remember. In the front rows, I go in from the front, and in the back rows, I go around the chains from the back. Here is the added treble from the last row. So here I'm going to do another treble. Then I'm going to do a chain, skip 1 on the bottom, and into the third treble, I do another treble. And now here I have the 4th chain that I started with in my last row. And here I'm going to do 3 regular trebles and then 1 doubled treble. And here's the doubled treble. So I do recommend doing the 4 chains a little bit more loosely, just so it's easier for you to do the doubled treble into the 4th one. Row 6, we begin just like row 4. We chain 4 for the height, and then we're going to turn. Turn the work, and then into the double treble we do 3 regular trebles. Now here, after the double treble, we have the 3 trebles we did into the exact same spot. And then we have here the 4th one, but that's actually the treble, chain, treble structure. So what we're going to do is do 3 relief trebles from the back, doubled relief trebles. So relief, when I say relief, it's always going to be doubled. And the ones that are not relief are obviously going to be just regular trebles. So now we do the treble here with another regular treble, then we're going to do a chain to skip over the chain and another treble after that. And then we're going to do the reliefs again. So it's pretty much just these 2 rows, nothing more than that. And when you get the hang of these 2, you basically can do the entire thing. Here come again the 3 reliefs. So this is the back row, so we're going in from the back. And here, just be careful. You see here the two stitches that you see. So we want to go between them. And that's where we're going to do the relief doubled treble. So I'm emphasizing this just because you shouldn't go between the two chains that kind of make it tricky. So they seem like they need a chain or a stitch between them, but they actually don't. So you want to go between the two trebles. Okay, and now we have row 7. And we're going to chain 2 for the height. We're going to turn and we're going to do reliefs. Doubled reliefs, so doubled treble. And we do 3 here. Then comes again a treble, chain, and treble here. And then again 3 reliefs. And yeah, this is basically how you do the entire thing. So you see here the big one that I already finished, and you see the structure that it gets, the texture that it has. I think it looks lovely, and you can do it in all kinds of colors. If you do a color gradient or a little bit more colorful wool with colorful yarn with multiple shades of different colors, I think it can look even more pretty. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the project. Feel free to let me know what you think and if you've tried it out, how well it worked and how satisfied you are. But yeah, here's just a little preview of what it looks like in the end. Thanks for watching. I hope you're going to subscribe, shoot a thumbs up, and comment on the video. See you next time. Have a wonderful day. Bye!